When the temperature falls below 5 degrees Celsius, you know it's time to start getting ready for the winter season. And if you haven't already done so, one of the things that you can do yourself under the hood or have the dealership do for you is to get your windshield washer fluid switched out from summer to winter, right? So what are the different types of windshield washer fluids that we would recommend?
We would recommend is more so from transitioning summer to winter, we'd go for more of a winterized or antifreeze agent, which also includes your methanol and ethanol agents in it.
Right. Those things that are added to the windshield washer fluid keep them from freezing up, right?
And gelling and causing your pump to wear out.
Man, that's the last thing that you're going to want to have happen is that washer fluid freeze up on you. So guys, if you're uncertain, bring it down to the dealership and get it checked.
Yeah,
right.
Have it checked out.
And the last thing you also want to do is don't add winter washer fluid to your reservoir that already has summer washer fluid.
It will dilute it.
It's just going to dilute it, and you're not going to get that anti-freezing property, right?
It might lower out the actual rate to it, so it might even get to maybe minus 20 and not where minus 40 where our climate is here. So we need it.
You know, listen, what could happen though if my reservoir were to freeze?
If it were to freeze or gel, we actually have had instances in the past where you can actually crack the whole reservoir because of air expanding wise, and also you can take out your whole pump and the motor.
Right. So all of those different spray components, if they freeze up, man, that could be a costly repair.
Oh yeah, detrimental.
So easy to avoid all of this, guys. Just make sure that you dump out the summer washer fluid out of that reservoir, get it drained or vacuumed out, and then top it up with the windshield washer fluid for winter.
-40.
You know, anywhere from minus 35 to minus 40, those kind of temperatures that we get in Alberta in the winter.
Yeah.
Right? Otherwise, you could be facing yourself a very costly bill. By the way, you can stop down at the dealership anytime into the breezeway and get a top-up.
Yeah.
Right?
Free.
Or just have us check it out for you. It's a little thing that you can do that'll save yourself a lot of headaches. Thanks very much.